Today, we're diving deep into the C1 Mid-Tower ATX White PC case, and let me tell you, it's a true powerhouse when it comes to keeping your rig cool. Straight out of the box, you're greeted with 4 high airflow APNX FP1A RGB fans, boasting superb performance. With 3 14cm fans and one 12cm fan pre-installed, along with the ability to accommodate up to 11 total fan slots, you're set for some serious airflow. But it doesn't stop there. This case is built for advanced cooling setups. Whether you prefer liquid cooling or air cooling, the C1 has got you covered. With support for top, side, and rear liquid cooling configurations, you can push your system to its limits without worrying about overheating. Not only does it excel in cooling capabilities, but it's also designed to house high-end components with ease. From the latest GPUs measuring up to 395mm to the most powerful CPU coolers, this case provides ample space for your hardware needs. And with its premium quality construction, featuring a thick steel frame and curved edges, you can trust that your components are housed in a sturdy and reliable enclosure. Aesthetically, the C1 doesn't disappoint either. With its sleek white design, high-quality finish, and full tempered glass panel, it's a premium addition to any setup. And for convenience, the quick-release panels make installation and maintenance a breeze. But perhaps one of the standout features is the included 5-port PWM RGB control hub. With this hub, you can easily connect and control your addressable RGB fans, adding a touch of customization to your build. In summary, the C1 Mid-Tower ATX White PC case delivers on all fronts: performance, versatility, durability, and style. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a PC enthusiast, this case has everything you need to take your rig to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.